Hello children, I welcome you all to the science class. Hope you all are fine and studying well. So children, let us see the thought for the day today. The thought says, do good and good will come to you. Yes children, if you do good to other person, the another person will surely be good with you. So I am repeating the thought again. Do good and good will come to you. So children, today the day is Saturday and it is 17th of July 2021. Now let us proceed to our class. So we know that house is the basic need of human beings. Yes, we have seen different types of houses around us. Yes, in the pictures you can see different types of houses. Some are very tall, some are very short. Yes, some seems to be very weak house, some seems to be very strong house. Some houses are built with the support of the pillars in the ground and the houses are lifted up. Yes, some houses are round shaped, some houses have wheel. So from here we can say that there are different types of houses. Yes, and house is the basic need of living things. So children, in today's class we will do chapter 4, housing and clothing. Okay, so let us proceed to our class and let us see what we are going to do. In the olden days, man led a nomadic life and took shelter in caves and under trees. So you know children, in olden days early men were there. Yes, they were our ancestor and they led a nomadic life and they took shelter in caves and under the trees. So you can see in the picture that they used to live on they are sleeping under the caves. Yes, on the trees. So slowly what happened, but with the discovery of tools and metals, he learned to make houses using materials like stone, hay, wood, etc. Modern man has learned to build different types of houses which are safe and comfortable. So what happened children? Now slowly they started discovering different tools, okay, made up of wood. First they discovered wooden tools, after that stone tools they used, after that they used iron tools, copper tools. Okay, so with the discovery of tools and different metals, they learned to make houses using materials. They used to make houses out of stone, hay and wood, etc. Modern man now they have learned to build different types of house. You know that around you can see houses of different types with different designs also. Yes, and the houses they will build are safe and comfortable. The house which we live in are safe and it's comfortable. So children, also with the time he stopped the use of leaves and skin of animals for his protection from heat, cold and rain. He learned to make use of cloth made of fibers obtained from plants or fur and hairs of some animals. So children, what they did, they slowly stopped. They used to wear the skin of animals and they used to use leaves. Okay, you can see in the picture, in the first picture they used to wear, some of them are wearing leaves. Yes, one person is wearing the skin of tiger. So they used to wear the skin of animals and leaves in order to protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. But he learned to make use of cloth made of fibers obtained from plants or fur and hairs of animals. So slowly they started making the clothes. Okay, that clothes were made of fibers which were obtained from plants or fur and hairs of some animals. So slowly they started progressing, they started developing from the plants, from wearing the plants and from wearing the skins. They started using making cloth. They started making cloth. You can see in the second picture. Yes, so now first we will learn different types of houses. The design of a house depends on the place where it is built. So you know that there are different places on the earth. Yes, some places are in nearby water, some places receives heavy rainfall, some places are very very cold, some places are very very hot. Yes, so the design of the house usually depends on the place where it is built. So depending on different places like hilly areas usually it is cold, yes, and there is heavy rainfall in hilly areas. Coastal areas, that means near the seas and oceans and rivers. Plains usually it is hot. So etc. We have 5 types of houses. So in this chapter we will learn different types of houses according to the climatic condition and according to the different places, and we will learn about 5 different types of houses. So let us see what are the 5 types of houses. The first one, children, is kacha house. So the name itself says kacha means it is a weak house. Yes, so where do you think you can find kacha house? Yes, kacha houses are found in villages. Basically, there are huts made of mud combined with materials such as straw, sticks, and even cattle dung. These are very weak houses, but mud helps to increase the strength of these houses. So children, kacha houses are usually found in villages, and they are basically made up of, these are the small huts, and they are made up of materials like straw, sticks, and even they use cattle dung also. And these houses are usually weak, but the mud which they use, it provides the strength to the house. That means mud makes the house stronger. Okay, so kacha house are usually found in villages, and these houses are made up of materials like such as straw, sticks, and even cattle dung. Now let us see some pictures of kacha house. You can see the pictures of kacha house. Yes, see, these are made up of these are made up of straw, bamboos, and muds, etc. So did you see the picture of kacha house? Next, children, next type of house are PUCCA houses. PUCCA houses means strong houses. Yes, PUCCA houses are made of bricks, cement, and steel. They are made up of bricks. We have seen, yes, making different types of houses. We have seen the construction of houses. So they mainly use bricks, cements, and steel. These are very strong houses and found in many places. So PUCCA houses are very strong and they are found in different places. In plains, the brick houses do not have sloping roofs, but in hilly areas, these houses have sloping roofs for the snow to fall off easily. So in plains, this brick house don't have sloping roof. We know that the roofs are flat in the plains, but in hilly areas, this type of houses have sloping roofs because snowfall may occur, and if the roof is sloped, at that time the snow will fall off easily. Okay, if the roofs are flat, that means the snow will stuck on the roof of the house. So in the hilly areas, they make the brick house with sloping roof. So strong house images, let us see. See, these are the images of strong house. Yes, you can see. So strong house are usually made up of concrete, brick, cement, rods, etc. Okay, they are very strong, and you can see both sloping roof and the flat roof of the houses. Next type of houses is stilt houses, children. Stilt houses are made up of wood and are found in areas which receives heavy rainfall. This type of house is raised above with stilt made of bamboos. Stilt help to protect the house from higher water levels. This type of house is found in coastal areas. So children, stilt houses are made up of wood and they are found in areas which receives heavy rainfall. Okay, where there is heavy rainfall, in those type of area you will find the stilt houses. This type of house is raised above with stilt made up of bamboo. So there will be support given. Those support will be of bamboo or it can be of timber also. Stilts help to protect the house from higher water level. So when there is heavy rainfall in this area, at that time water level will rise. So it will help the houses to protect themselves from the water level. This type of houses is found in coastal areas. So where do you find stilt house? Stilt house are found in coastal areas. You can see the example photos of stilt houses. Yes, there are many stilt houses in the pictures. So you can see they are raised above the ground with the help of the bamboos or with the tree trunk. Okay. So houseboats are another type of house. So from the name only you can identify, yes, houseboats. That means houseboats are the houses that are built on the boat. These are made up of wood and are light in weight. People who live near river or lake use houseboat to sleep and cook in it. So houseboats are the houses that are built on the boat and they are made up of wood. Houseboats are made up of wood and they are very light in weight. So people who live near the area of river or lake, they use this houseboat to live and cook in it. Means to sleep and cook in it means they can live in these houseboats. So let us see the photo of the houseboat. See, these are the picture of the houseboats. You can see it is made up of wooden. Yes, now they have modified. Many types of houseboats have been modified into beautiful houseboats. So you can see in the picture. Now children, the last type of So the last type of houses are igloos, children. Igloos are made up of small block of snow. It is a dome shape house which is found in areas with extreme cold and heavy snow. So children, igloos are made up of small block of snow and it is a dome shape. Okay, it is usually found in the areas with extreme cold and heavy snow. So these houses protect the people from cold by raising the temperature inside. So these houses are of dome shape and it is very small house, so it will help the people from cold by rising the temperature inside. So let us see the picture. You can see the picture of igloos. Yes, it is made up of the snowflakes or the small pieces of snow and bricks. So children, hope whatever we have done is clear to you all. Yes, so I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.